Hi, I am Monique Burns coming to you today from my office, which is just outside of Detroit, Michigan. And today I am just going to update you on some things going on with my business. And it's going to be a little bit of a different kind of video today. So I happen to be in my office in Warren, Michigan. I've been working at home since after COVID, but we're having a grad party at our house and my family was like, get your office out of the dining room. So here I am, I'm in my office and I'm about to turn this space into a studio where I can start filming a class for you guys on, it's the whole process of how to work with, for landlords, of how to work with Section 8 tenants. And I'm going to start at the very beginning and take you all the way through it because I have learned some things. So let me go back a little bit and tell you more who I am. So my husband and I started buying houses in 2007 in Detroit. We started building up our own rental portfolio. I'm a landlord. And in the process, I ended up getting my real estate license. And just recently I got my broker's license. But in 2015, we started really turning houses fast and furious and selling them to investors from all over the country and all over the world. And from 2015 to 2020, when we would sell those houses, we then had a property management company, and this was my office, and this was the side where my staff was. But in 2020, we decided to sell that. And I learned after selling it that property management companies, they are not all made the same. And a lot of these owners right now have come to me and said, I can't believe this. This is so difficult working with property managers. I just want to sell my properties. So the good news is I have houses to sell, but finding a great property manager in Detroit can be challenging. I do have some ideas that I could refer people to, but what my conclusion is and why I'm making this class for you in this room is because I really want to teach people that they can do it themselves. If they just had a few boots on the ground here in Detroit, I'm not saying you have to live in Detroit. If you've got me here and we can connect you with some other people here, you'll be fine managing these yourself. And whatever argument you can throw at me, I probably have an answer for why I don't think it's true. So that's my goal. I'm going to put that class together. But right now, I'm hoping that if you are looking at investing in Detroit, that you reach out to me. Here's my email address. Email me, ask me, what I have for sale. The cash buyers seem to be doing the best. I've got a really, really good two-family flat that we just bought. We're still flipping houses. So we just bought a two-family flat. It's going to be awesome. Once it's done, I think I'm going to rent the upstairs for $1,100, downstairs for $11, 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. It's going to be a great investment. I'm looking at about $145,000 for that one, but I have other stuff. I have this whole portfolio and I've got a couple other random houses that just came through. So be sure you contact me, stay in touch. I appreciate all my loyal followers. Thank you so much. I love your comments and I love it when you subscribe and when you just stay in touch, and subscribing really helps me stay motivated to keep making videos, even on days like this where I'm so hot. I'm like sweating. So I didn't turn on the air in this room. Thanks for watching.